Hello guys, my name is Nishant and today I am presenting here a simple and suitable video in Microsoft Power BI report server. So in this video I am uploading here a .txt file, this means a CSV file in Microsoft Power BI report server. So that is the process how we create a file and import in the Power BI report server. So in the current scenario there is lots of data sources which we can upload in Microsoft Power BI report server or Power BI desktop. So at least 99 plus data sources we can upload. The data sources is could be a SQL Server data sources, Oracle data sources, .txt CSV files, comma separated files, flat files, folders, oracles. There are lots of data sources we can use and upload to transform the data into the Power BI report server or Power BI desktop. After loading the data into the Power BI desktop or the Power BI report server, we can transform the data and clean the data and load the data again in the Power BI desktop and create our report and then publish the report on the cloud and on premises and share the data with the end users for consume the report as per their requirement. So first we need to upload the data in our desktop and the Power Report server. First we need to install the Power BI desktop in our system. So you can type in the Google Microsoft Power BI desktop or report server download. So there is a lots of options there. You can choose one of them and download in your system. After download the system, then the desktop, then you can see the simple icon is present here in the screenshot here. So we can click here on the Power BI report server. So in the first time when you click on the Power BI report server, the page will open is look like that. So after open the report server, the page is showing is untitled because the name is not mentioned here, the report server. So this means that untitled, and this is the look of the first Power BI desktop. So there's lots of data which if we create the reports, that then reports is you will present here in the first screen. So I cut the tab. So first we check where is my data. In my download section I have a data of employees ID and their salaries. So that is our data: ID, name, age, salary and address. So this is our CSV data file. So this file I need to upload in Power BI report server for create and share the report with our user. So we click on the get data button. In get data option there are lots of way to import the data into the Power BI. So this is the first way to take the options here. In get data options we select text.csv file here. So when we click here text file, so this is our data. We click the data here and click on the open button. So one pop-up page will be open here. So this page is shown what is our data which we want to upload in Power BI. So this is our data: ID, name, age, salary, address and the nominee. And this data is comma separate files .csv delimiter. So there is two options: load and transform the data. If we click on the transform data, then the data automatically transfer into the Power Editor. Power Editor means Power Query. In Power Query you can transform and clean the data as per your requirement and as per your users requirement, as per you based on clean, because There are lots of null values, there are lots of blank values, there are lots of errors. So and date section is also there, so you can manage and clean your data as per your requirement. Or if you know, then if your data is okay, there is no any error and no any blank values in your existing data, then you click on the load button. When you press the load button, the data will upload in Power BI desktop, and this will be show here on the data section button in data view. Data view, in the right hand side, the data will show here of your text.tsv file. So in this file, yes, the data is loaded here, and now you can see your data in the right hand side in data button. You can see here your data, address, age, id. If you want to see the data in a table format, so in the left hand side there is a three options: report view. In report view, you can drag and drop the data in table format and visual format. In table view, whatever the data you have, you see the data in a table format. So this is your data which is in table format given here, and this is the model. Model means relationships between the data, like a star schema, a snowflake schema. If you have one or more than two or three tables, though you need to model between the each other for create a relationship between the two tables or three tables. So now we have only one table, so we not do this work in the model view. So now what we doing here, we just create a simple report in the given table. So I just create a in table format. I drag and drop the ID here, and we click on the table view. So this is my ID here, this is my name, and this is my salary. So I mention here name and salary, and ID is mentioned dot summarize, because this is the name of the, this is the particular and primary ID of the each and particular name and their salary. So we just formatting the data. We need to increase the values of the data like 20. So this is in our simple chart format, and we here one more to increase the header. So this is our header column, and now again we just copy of this same table and paste here, and we click on the clustered bar chart. So in this section our ID is given here. So ID is our primary and salary is sum. So we can sum the salary of this data, and this is the legend. Legend means the if we put the any legend of the name, of month, of any other point which can show here, is like different way colors. So in this section we have to find here the ID. We also have a toolkit here, ID number 1, name Manish, and their salary is 75,000. If you want to show the data in here, so you just formatting the button data labels, and go inside the value, and also click on the none. So this is the exact data we show here, and this is our data. Okay, and now if we want to change your background color, so canvas, in the background color section you click on this brown, and transparency is 100, so you just decrease the transparency is 46%. So this is your data. This is the simple way to import the data here. So now if you want to check the data as per by their name, so you click on the slicer button, and in slicer you can drag and drop the name. So that is the slicers. If you click any name, the data will show only the particular person which you want to see the data. I think if we click on the Manish, then the data will look at here with Manish. If you want to click on Nikita, then data will be shown the Nikita. If you want to click more than one option of the slicer button, then you go to slicer section, in section and off, then you Nikita and Prasantosh, then you can see the data. If you want to see the all the section of list here, then you click here and select all button. So in select all button you can see all the data as per your requirement. So that this is the simple and video in Power BI which I am just present here, how we import the data of a simple and for CSV file in Power BI, and how to create a simple report in Power BI report server, like table format and like bar chart, and create slices. After this report is after this report is made, then you can click on the publish button. If you work on the report desktop server, then you can publish the report in your on premises, and if you working on the only Power BI desktop, then you publish a report on the public cloud, on Power BI app cloud. So this is our demo, first demo in the Power BI report server. Next I will show you again the some more videos in Power BI report server. For this videos, that's it. Thank you.